I'm John Pellegrini, and I'm the best person to host your coast because I personally do not want the $10,000 from Delight. Instead, I will allocate all of the $10,000 to fund the environmental video productions planned by these aspiring college filmmakers. I already own all the equipment needed to turn that Mackay condominium into a video production studio with at least 4 edit suites. And I have the ability to send out at least 4 of these production crews out into the field at any time. I teach TV production and multimedia during the school year, and I take off every summer to live in Ocean City and to go on a media mission. For me, this isn't just a job. I'm passionate about the power of new media and social networking to make a difference in the world. My crew will film me hosting all the events planned by Delight, and then you will see their editing skills as they create effective and inspiring productions. We will entertain and create a buzz for low-impact tourism on Delmarva by posting blogs, photos, and videos to MySpace, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. We will even make public service announcements for local TV. If Delight wants to use new media to engage the public with their mission, then I am the man to host our coast.